Hey there, FitBam. Thank you for stopping by. Welcome if you're new. Welcome back if you've been here before. I appreciate you stopping by and gifting me with your beautiful, precious time. Today, we're gonna stuff my sinking fund binders with the money that I saved with the savings challenges for the month of February. So let's go ahead and get started. This is gonna be a short and sweet video. So we'll start with my Betty Boop binder. And so for abundance, we're gonna save $100. So 20, 40, 60, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. Okay, so this is for abundance. For me is like equivalent to emergency fund. I guess I should count it, huh? Let me count it, see how much we have in here so far. How's everyone doing? How is your day or evening? Let me see, 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 90, $200 in abundance for the year so far. Okay, annual bills, we're gonna put $200, so 51, 52, and then let's go ahead and count this up. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. $800 for that. For birthdays, we have, right, sorry for that. For birthdays, we're gonna put $100. So 20, 40, 60, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. So let's count it up. We have 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 90, and 200. $200 for birthdays. All right, y'all, I have a house full right now, so it's gonna be noisy. All right, so for car, we're gonna put $200. So 51, 52. So now in car we have 51, 52, 53, 54. This is for car maintenance, car repairs, car registration, anything that has to do with my car wash, all of that stuff. All right, Christmas, we're gonna put $100. So 20, 40, 60, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. All right, so there's that. We now have 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 90, and 200. 200 for Christmas so far. All right, for clothing, I'm gonna put $50. So, no. How much am I putting for? I think I'm gonna put 100. Let me see how it turns out. 20 for 60, 85, 95, 100. Hopefully I'm doing this right. 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 90, and 200. I have a cheat sheet here and it says $50, but then I have $100 and I don't know. And then this one we'll put 100. This is Costco. So here's 100 here. So let's count it up. See how much we have. 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 90, and 200. 200 and Costco. We want to go to Costco soon and stock up on some beef. Okay, so for health, I'm gonna put $200. So 51, 52. So now I have 51, 52, 53. $300 in health. For household, we are gonna put 300, I believe. 150. Really, 150? I think I'm gonna put I think I'm gonna put 300. So I don't know. This thing is all messed up. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's see how this turns out. Okay, 51, 52, 53, 54, 20, 40, 60, 85, 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 90, and 600. $600 in household. And household is like for house repairs, appliances, do things, fix things up around the house. So we are looking into replacing all the pipes in the house soon. So I gotta save money for that. All right, so there is Betty Boop, and then we'll get the black binder. And we will start with my baby Jack. And we will put $200 in here for my baby. All right, so now we have 1,000 in the bank. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 2,000, 50, 70, 90, 100, 25, 30. I'm glad I did it like that. Okay, $2,130 for Jack. His pet insurance is about a little over $1,500 every year, and that comes up for renewal in June. All right, so for kids, and then he has all his medications that he has to take. So for kids, I'm gonna put 200. So actually, yeah, 50, 1, 50, and 2. So now kids have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. I took some money out because I used the money to pay for some stuff for my daughter. Okay, parents is going to get 100, so 20, 40, 60, 80. And for 99 goes 100. So let's put this in order. So now parents has 1, 20, 40, 60, 82, 20, 40, 60, 83, 25, 35, 40, $340 for my parents. Okay. Roth, I'm going to put 200. So 51, 52. And so now I have 51, 52, 53, 54 for my Roth account. Okay, for taxes, I'm gonna put $100. Yeah. 20, 40, 60. Oh, I like that one. 20, 40, 60, 80. Age of 90, 95, 200. Okay. Okay. So I have 20, 40, 60, 80, 1, 50, 70, 80, 90, 200. All right, 200 for taxes. And then vacate, I'm gonna put $100. Vacation, I think I'm gonna put $200. 51, 52. So I have 1, 2, 3, 400 in vacation. Okay, and then for YouTube, I'm gonna put $100. So 20, 40, 60, 80. 85, 90, 95, 100. I'm trying to put the nicer ones in my sinking funds because the other ones I'm going to end up spending. All right, 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 100. Sorry, Jack was barking. All right, so $100 going here in YouTube. So that's it for this binder. And then I forgot to bring my cash wallet. So, I mean my cash envelopes for my wallet. Let me go get those. All right, promise that's the last pause. This one's gonna, date night's gonna get 50, so 20, 50, 20, 45, 50. This is going into date night. So there's that one. I need to buy new ones like this because I wish I knew how to make these. Okay, fun is gonna get the same thing, 20, 40, 50. Okay. And then gas, let me see how much I have left. Yeah, I already used $50 for personal, so I'm gonna put 200 for gas. 200 for gas. Some of this money I've already spent. I put it on my credit card, so I'll just take it out. And then I'm gonna put 150 in for personal. So there you go. See, I need a new one. Look at, it's already ripping. I wish I knew how to make these. But anyway, okay guys, well, I'm done. That's it, and that's all for this video. I hope you enjoyed this cash stuffing. I hope you had a wonderful February and getting ready for a great March. I can't believe the last month of the first quarter is already here. So anyway, thank you for your time. I appreciate you stopping by. If you made it to the end, please leave a flower of your choice. Thanks for watching. Bye.